Welcome to Supreme Detail Supply. Today we're talking about our tire dressing. This is a water-based dressing, so you can dilute it. You can use it straight, as we like to do. This is a very natural, very satiny finish. It's not going to be a high gloss. It's not going to be a high shine. Your tires are not supposed to be platinum looking. So this product works very, very well to accomplish that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how it's done. So with this product, all you're going to need is clean tire, a microfiber applicator. It's what we like to use. You can use foam applicators as well. And then also the tire dressing itself. All right, so what you're going to do is take your tire dressing, spritz a little on the applicator, and then apply a back and forth motion and spread it across the tire. Now I'm only going to do half here to show you the difference in the end look. But normally we would just take this around the entire tire. Okay, now that this is done, we're going to go ahead and remove the tape and show you what the 50-50 shot looks like and show you the difference in the end look. All right, now that you see the difference in the before and the after, it's time to tidy up the rest of the tire, make it all look uniform, and give you the end result. All right, so there you have it. That's our tire dressing from Supreme Detail Supply. For more information, go check out supremedetailsupply.com. And then also remember social media at Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube at Supreme Detail Supply.